The holiday season is upon us, and BJ's Wholesale Club is your one-stop for all of your holiday needs and essentials. Maybe you're heading to a holiday party, maybe you're going to be hosting, you're going to need some food and some beverages. Wholesale Farms frozen appetizers, they are so delicious. There's so many different options. You know, maybe your child is into Barbie or Legos or maybe Hot Wheels. They have all those different toy varieties, which is so much fun. Not only that, Berkley Jensen is one of their exclusive brands, and they have a toy line, but for anybody on your list, the Ember temperature controlled mug. They also have Black & Decker. It's a cocktail maker, so you can really have some fun with that. They also have Berkley Jensen holiday cards. They have apparel. They have seasonal decor. Again, anything you're going to need, they have right there. You could shop in club. You could shop online. You can do curbside pickup in club. They also have express pay. You can also use manufacturer coupons as well, which you are stacking up that extra savings, which is so important and so helpful during the holiday season. And while you're shopping in club, you can also make sure you save up and stock up and get your gas, because you can get those extra savings if your local BJ's has a BJ's gas. But again, for the holidays, they have everything you need. They take the stress right out of the holidays for you. So if you haven't already become a member, make sure you become one. Head to bjs.com or head to any BJ's Wholesale Club near you.